Welcome to the ScaleTrains.com intergalactic headquarters here in Benton, Tennessee. We're here to share some exciting news with you. Our 11th and 12th HO scale freight cars just arrived and they look awesome. These cars are the missing link in the Pullman Standard 4000 series capacity cars. You know, there's 4427s out there, there's 4740s, 4750s. This is the car that fills the gap and is really unique and looks much different than those. So let's learn more about them right now. So what makes the Pullman Standard 4785 hopper that missing link? Well, this car is a little bit larger capacity and is what's called a low hip car. In other words, the distance between the rail and the sill is a lot shorter than the later 4740s and all of the 4750s. This car is really unique in the fact it has a ton of details and it's perfect for modelers from the late 60s all the way until today. All right, so let's look at the details. We've gone to a lot of work to make sure that these cars are as accurate as possible. First of all, there's three different body styles. So the PS-4785 went through three variations during its life. Early production versions are noted by their tall end supports. This ran all the way from the sill to the roof line. They also had wide three-rung side ladders, and the brake wheel was mounted on this end support. Intermediate production actually stopped short on the end of the car. It went about midway up, and the brake wheel was there as well. The final production looked a lot like the short end support intermediate car, except that it also had shear plates on it. For the 4785 project, we tooled three different roof walks. The first is an apex or slotted roof walk. The second is a gypsum diamond hole pattern. And the third is to be announced on a subsequent production run. We also tooled three different roof hatches. On the first production run is the as-delivered ribbed hatch. And also on the first run is the really unique cotton belt version, which is a smooth hatch and it's separated into three different troughs. We've tooled 5 different outlet gates for this project, 3 of which are on the first production run. We're first doing the gravity version for the Minor Enterprises Mark E7717, and then 2 different versions of the gravity pneumatic. That's the Keystone vacuum gravity port lock and the Minor Enterprises Mark E6929. Like all of our rivet counter models, we're committed to even the smallest of details. For instance, we do road number specific paint schemes. Take a look at Conrail, for instance. Each road number is different from the other road number. We do this throughout our rivet counter line, so be sure to check out all of the model details on our website. Speaking of paint schemes, we're always accumulating documentation to make sure our models are as accurate as possible. For this first run of PS-4785s, we made several changes between the deco samples that were originally shown on our website to the production models you see today. The PS-4785 is also available in our operator line. So what makes an operator car different from the rivet counter model? The operator car has one body style variant versus multiple body style variants on the rivet counter car. The operator car also features a plastic roof walk in comparison to an etched metal roof walk. The operator car doesn't have all of the separately applied parts such as the grab irons and the train line hose. Those can be purchased separately. The rivet counter car has all of those parts pre-installed. The operator car has a plastic knuckle coupler versus a die-cast knuckle coupler on the rivet counter car. The operator car also has a simplified paint scheme versus all of the decoration on a rivet counter car. And the final major difference between the two cars, the operator car has a standard truck versus the rivet counter car with rotating bearing caps. So thank you for watching this video about the Pullman Standard 4785 covered hopper. You can learn more and order now at ScaleTrains.com or by visiting a select retailer. Until next time,